So hello defense aspirant, welcome to this channel, and today we will be talking about the most important topic, that is theater command. For your interview in SSB, AFSB, NSB, it is the crucial topic right now, and the question would be asked by the interviewing officer for sure. So the question comes to our mind that what is a theater command? So the theater command is a tri-service command where all of the three armed forces they will work together, or we can say the jointness of work. Actually, the India is in process of carrying out the biggest military reform right now, and which is actually theaterization. The plan is to have five theater commands, which will be helping in better planning, military response, and aim to have a unified approach to fight any future war. Actually, the theater command is not a new kind of a implementation. Right from the World War One and the World War Two, we have this concept, but we are very much in carrying out this reform right now because we want that the jointness will be increasing the military approach to fight any future war with ease. But there are certain internal differences also over this structure. Uh, if you came to know that in the public last week, General Infantryman General Bipin Rawat, who is Chief of Defence Staff, terming the Air Force as a supporting element like artillery and engineers. After some time, the Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadoria sir pointing out that there is much more to the air power. That Air Force is not a supporting element; it has a huge role. These uh, these two are the senior officers, and they have their perspective, but there are certain differences in their perseverance about the theater commands. So these serious differences over the basic structure, which is came out last month during the meeting for the Cabinet Committee on Security for the approval of these theater commands. I think that first of all there is no hurry in order to implement this theater command right now. According to my opinion, it would take some time, about 3 to 4 years, so that these types of internal difference are not there between the senior officials. The jointness would come by education, by certain courses which would be implemented in the training process, where we can change the perspective of every force personnel to a jointness. Then we talk about the theater proposals. So, according to the current proposal that was discussed in the last month meeting, that we have the five theater commands. The Northern Land Theater, that is for Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Central Sector. Second one is Western Land Theater, Pakistan centric. Third one is Eastern Land Theater. Fourth one is Maritime Theater Command, and last one is Air Defense Command. On Friday, General Bipin Rawat, our CDS, said that Northern Command will not be see any change, and right now in the present form, for a time, since it is not it is operational sensitive, as it has China and Pakistan beside the internal security to look after, we are not implementing something called theater command, but it would take some time, and after that we will implement. The first two which would be rolled out are Maritime Theater Command and Air Defense Command. As reported earlier, Maritime Theater Command will be, you can see that merger of Eastern and Western Naval Commands. Beside, also they get elements from Army and Air Force. It would be headed by the 3-star naval officer. Will also have one 2-star officer from Indian Air Force and 3-star officer from Army. If you want to know about the who is the 3-star naval officer, who is the 2-star officer from IAF, you can visit to my previous videos in this playlist of SSB, and you can check out that with which rank we have these stars on the collars. Similarly, the Air Defense Command also be headed by the 3-star IAF officer, along with 3-star Army officer and 2-star naval officer. The other theaters planned will be headed by 3-star Army officer, that is the rank of Lieutenant General, Commander, with elements from the Indian Air Force and Navy. So please analyze this topic of theater command. Read the articles and vlogs about this. This is a kind of a quick recap about the theater commands. You can comment it if you have the better points, so it will be easy for the audience to see. After that, thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video and comment for the further topics. Do subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon with the next video.